Hello and welcome back. Today, we're going to embark on a journey of self-discovery. We're going to talk about assessing your own time management skills. It's like looking in a mirror, but instead of checking out your hairstyle, we're going to take a good look at how you manage your time. Let's get started. Why self-assessment? Think of self-assessment as your personal GPS. It helps you pinpoint where you are on your time management journey and what routes you can take to improve. Understanding your strengths and weaknesses in managing time is crucial. It's like knowing the tools in your toolbox. You need to know what you have and what you need. Tools for self-assessment. Time logs, your personal time diary. Keep a log of how you spend your day. It's like writing a diary, but for your time. Record everything. Work, coffee breaks, scrolling through social media, everything. You'll be amazed to see where your time actually goes. Questionnaires and quizzes. The fun way to learn about yourself. There are loads of quizzes out there that can help you evaluate your time management skills. It's like taking a personality test, but instead of finding out if you're more of a cat or a dog person, you find out how you handle time. Reflective journaling, the heart-to-heart with yourself. At the end of each day, write down what tasks you managed well and where you struggled. It's like having a heart-to-heart with yourself about your day. Feedback from others. Your mirror, held by someone else. Sometimes we need someone else to hold the mirror for us. Ask colleagues, friends, or family about how they perceive your time management skills. It can be eye-opening. Identifying strengths and weaknesses. Spotting the good stuff, your time management superpowers. Maybe you're great at meeting deadlines or you're a pro at prioritizing tasks. These are your time management superpowers. Recognize them and give yourself a pat on the back. Uncovering the not-so-good stuff, areas for improvement. Now let's talk about the flip side. Maybe you're a bit of a procrastinator or get easily distracted. That's okay. Recognizing these areas is the first step in turning them around, turning weaknesses into strengths. The magic of small steps. You don't have to overhaul your habits overnight. Start small. If you're prone to procrastination, try setting a timer for focused work intervals. Look at your strengths and think about how you can apply similar strategies to your weaker areas. Remember, the goal of this self-assessment isn't to be hard on yourself. It's about understanding and embracing your unique time management style and finding ways to polish it. We're all works in progress, and that's perfectly fine. All right, team, that wraps up our session on self-assessment. Take these tools, explore your time management style, and remember, every step you take in understanding yourself better is a step towards more effective time management. Can't wait to see what you discover about yourselves. See you in the next session.